In this video, I will be rating various sound ripping websites that I have used and tried out for editing the first drafts of my preliminary task. The first site that I used was called Upbeat. I used this for my first draft, but I did not use this one for my second because I found there wasn't much variety or uniqueness in the selection of music. I also couldn't use the sound effects feature without buying or subscribing to the premium. Even so, it was very simple and easy to use and to sign up to, and I would recommend this to someone who is just starting to edit music into their sequences. The second website that I tried is called Bensound. I didn't like this one as much as Upbeat. There was very little selection and it did not even offer the chance to try out any special effects or sound effects. Even so, downloading pieces of music seems relatively straightforward and simple. I think if I looked longer, I'd find that there was a wide choice of soundtracks to choose from, just not in the thriller genre in particular. This is obviously not as important as the practicality of the website, but it's still important. I found this far less inviting than the first site. It looks more cold and complicated to me, so this may be why I didn't stay on this site very long.
bensound.com.
The third website that I looked at was called Purple Planet. This one seems very easy to use and to download music that you want. I just didn't manage to find any tracks that appeal to me. It also did not offer any sound effects, so I didn't use it at all at any point in editing my preliminary task. It was also far more inviting and aesthetically pleasing than the second one. The fourth website that I used when looking for music was the BBC Sound Effects website. This site was definitely the best for sound effects. There was lots to choose from and they were very easy to download. I also found that when downloading music, it's a real pain if the track is far too long than you actually need it to be. So this website was good because there are lots of small tracks that you could just place where you wanted them to be when you're editing. I will definitely be using this one in the future for sound effects. However, it did not offer a wide or a very good variety of music in my opinion, and this website wouldn't even work on a PC. It only worked on my personal laptop.